So I have been getting a ton of questions in person when I've been at the gym. Basically, people are coming up to me with their supplement stacks and they're asking me, what's this do? Should I be taking this? I went ahead and bought this. Is it gonna work? And I'll be honest with you guys, there are so many supplements being sold right now. I didn't even know what half of them were. I had to look up like probably 80% of the things that people were showing me. There are a ridiculous amount of supplements out there, and chances are you should probably not be taking any of them. I'll just be honest with you. So, if we are going to do any kind of supplementation, so if we're going to go to the GNC and buy some stuff, what should we be buying, right? So, the two that I'm going to recommend are going to be creatine. So, basically, what creatine does for you, and this is probably the most well researched product on the market. I don't think anyone's going to tell you anything differently. If you're going to take something, take creatine. So basically, all creatine does is it turns ADP into ATP in your muscle cells. So it basically gives your muscles more energy. It has some other added benefits, but that's primarily what it's going to be used for. So then the other one that I would recommend is going to be whey protein. So, and this is just as a supplement, as the name would suggest, it's supplementary to a diet. So if you get sufficient dietary protein, you don't need to take a whey protein shake, right? So if you get, sufficient protein in your diet, so, anywhere from half a gram to a gram per pound body weight, it's just going to be dependent on the person. But if you get that, then you don't need to take a whey protein shake. So now, again, so I was asked about 150 different things, but I'm going to just be talking about some of the more common things and just my thoughts on them. If you guys find some merit in these and you want to, flavor your water, by all means, take them. But I'll be honest with you, in my eyes, in my honest opinion, it really doesn't do much. So we got some notes here. So the first thing that a lot of people want to take are branched chain amino acids. So branched chain amino acids are going to be valine, isoleucine, and leucine. So those are the three amino acids that are going to help trigger muscle protein synthesis, right? So now, and I want to, so there are excuse me, I can't talk. There are 9 essential amino acids, right? So essential amino acids are basically the amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. So you need to get those from your diet. So with branched chain amino acids, those are the 3 that are going to basically stimulate muscle protein synthesis. And then essential amino acids are just the complete, all 9 of the amino acids that you can't produce on your own. So the ones that you have to take from your diet. And then, same thing with an animal-based product or soy. It has all of your amino acids. So what's the difference between branched chain amino acids, essential amino acids, and a complete protein? So essential amino acids and a complete protein, they have all the essential amino acids. So, instead of spending $40 on a tub of, essential amino acids, just eat some turkey, or, if you're vegan, take some soy. You don't need to spend $50 to get the same benefit. And then let's talk about branched chain amino acids. So those have 3 of your 9. And then you might be thinking to yourself, well, Grant, this study says that, if I have, these 3 branched chain amino acids, it's going to stimulate protein synthesis. So I'm golden. I should be taking it, right? No, if you have enough protein in your diet, if you have enough complete protein in your diet, it is irrelevant. There is no reason to take that. And then one of the more common arguments, and I'm going to quote this, so I've heard this 150 times. It's basically, people think that, well, it's not that simple, right? So, if you get a complete, protein in your diet and you get sufficient, dietary protein, then you don't need a branched chain amino acid, supplement because, this and that. But then a lot of people will go on to say that, well, yeah, you do, because 2 hours after you consume your protein meal, so after you consume 20-30 grams of protein from your chicken, then your body will go into a catabolic state, because so that's another thing too. So your body, a lot of people don't understand this either. So your body is not like either all in a state of anabolism or it's not all in a state of catabolism. So basically, what people say, you know, the benefit of taking branched chain amino acids are for is so that your body won't go into a state of catabolism and it won't just start breaking down protein to use. But again, guys, with this, why not just take protein, a complete protein, and just eat turkey? I mean, it's literally that simple. If you guys want to maximize protein synthesis, this, that, you want to minimize the amount of time that your body's in a catabolic state, just eat small protein meals throughout the day and stop worrying about essential amino acids, stop worrying about supplementing with branched chain amino acids, and just eat a complete protein source. Just that's it. It drives me absolutely crazy that people want to, you know, spend all this money on, you know, all these different supplements when in reality all you need to do is just buy food. That's really all it is. Just buy food. And then again, so if you, let's just say, so for me, I have a hard time eating. So right now I want to be eating about 180 grams of protein per day for just my goals. Not, you know, not that you guys out there need to be eating 180 grams or anything like that, but just for my goals currently, that's what I'm eating. So for me, I actually have a hard time eating that much from food. So what do? I take a 50-gram whey protein shake. And then I am set. I don't supplement with branched chain amino acids. I don't supplement with essential amino acids. I do take creatine and vitamins, but that's it. So I hope this helps. And again, guys, I'm more than happy to do some research on some of the random supplements out there for you guys. If you know you've already bought them and you want to take them, really there's no merit in it. The next time you go out and buy stuff, just go to the grocery store. There's all the, you know, stuff that you need that's right there. You don't need anything else. So sorry this is a little bit longer of a video, but there's kind of a lot to talk about with this. But I hope this helps. Don't be, you know, suckered into the whole, you know, marketing. You need all these supplements to be able to lose weight and put on muscle. All you need is to go into a grocery store and just eat food. So again, hope this helps, and thanks for listening.